right, we thought we'd take you for a little walk this morning. It's already 8:30, so it's kind of late to take a walk in Southwest Florida because it's already very hot. I think it's maybe 89 degrees at the moment. So this is the boat ramp here, right down the street. And those are the mangroves that Jeff was talking about that grow out of the water here. Oh look, it has like a flower on it.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen that flower. Have you?
No, I don't recognize it.
I wonder if it's a mangrove flower. Or is that a different type of tree?
I don't think that's a mangrove,
Yeah.
but it might be.
Huh.
It could very well be. Not sure. These are all mangroves. Mangroves here.
Oh,
You
okay.
can see where they're right down in the water.
Yeah, it has that rooting system that they stand up on in the water.
And that's a mangrove that you're looking at right there, Mangrove Island, basically.
Okay, yeah, this is the mangroves, what they look like. So you can see the rooting system here. Very peaceful.
Somebody's sailboat there, that's unusual. You don't usually see a sailboat in here.
It looks like it's docked there.
It's anchored, yeah. It's got an anchor out, I can see it.
Huh. Interesting. So, as you can hear the sound of the birds, it's a wonderful, peaceful, calming place. This will be our morning view. I'll take you around the rest of the park. So this is the park that we have at the end of the street. And there's a tennis court to the right. I think people are using it for pickleball now too. That's a big thing in the United States at the moment. My brothers and sister are all into the pickleball tournaments and everything else. And this is the type of tree that you get here that the sphagnum moss hang down off of. Very typical here.
Yeah, it's a live oak.
A live oak. Oh, okay. Live oak tree. And people have little cookouts and so forth here, barbecues. A little play area for the kids. And it's nice and quiet with nobody here early in the morning. It's not blistering hot yet either. So there's what the sphagnum moss looks like. Or moss, I'm not sure if it's sphagnum moss.
True enough.
Some kind of moss. And there's a little peak of the Peace River.
And you can see by this oak tree on our right.
This one?
Yes, that's over our heads, how big it is. How old it is. Very old tree.
Wow, that's a cool
And these are
looking
called
tree.
live oak because they never completely lose their leaves. They grow new leaves year round and they keep dropping leaves. Unlike the white or red oaks that we have, same family, but in the fall they lose their leaves. They grow new ones back in the spring. During the winter they don't have any leaves on them, which makes them look kind of sparse.
Mm-hmm.
But these live oaks have leaves year round.
So there's a little trail in there that you can go in. but there's a bigger one over here. And I don't think I would swim here. There's many gators, and you know, we're in Florida, so you swim with the gators, I guess. Just like we were in Cape Cod, you swim with whales and sharks and everything. So you just have to get used to it. But
Well, here there's not as many gators because of the brackish, brine kind of a water situation here.
Yeah.
They don't like the salt water, and so they'll stay up the river a little bit. But we do see them here once in a while, but not very often.
So this is another area where people fish off of this little pier here and barbecue and have a little cookout. It's a nice little park, and it's right down the street. Jeff's probably checking out that sailboat. Do you think we could live on a boat, Jeff?
Of course we could live in a boat.
Maybe that'll be our next adventure.
It's like living in a camper, you know,
Yeah.
only it's on the water.
Living simply in a boat.
Yeah. You'll have to think about that one for a minute or two.
Then you'd have to have 2 more songs.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's quiet, very, very peaceful spot. Just the differences in city living versus in the suburbs and in different countries. The Peace River. And the Peace River goes out to the ocean, I believe, in that direction.
Yes.
Looks like. And it's fun. A lot of people use airboats and different type of boating that you do here.
It's a flat bottom boat, basically with a big giant engine on the back and a prop.
Yeah.
So it runs like an airplane, only it pushes it, not instead of pulling it. And they'll go right across the grass, the road, down the street. They'll go anywhere with them.
Yeah. They're very loud because you have that big engine.
Big, powerful engine with no mufflers.
But at the same time, it's really cool to like spin out on a place like this and have fun. So this would be the direction where the ocean goes, and we'll take you over the bridges and just let you know our little section of Florida where we live. But we hope that you're having a peaceful, simple day. So we wish you a simple, peaceful day. Ciao for now from America.